Hey there traders, welcome back for episode number 40 from the stockbandit.tv. I'm sure glad that you're here. Sure, I'm glad that you've been enjoying these videos the way that you have over the past couple of months. And so I want to bring something to your attention in case you're not aware of it. This video is going to cover a new proposal to modify the old uptick rule and then sort of reinstate that. Now, back in the day, meaning even not too long ago, you had to wait for an uptick in stocks before you could actually short sell them. And so that means that the price had to tick higher before you could short sell the stock, which is of course a bet on a decline in price. Now they got rid of this rule and now you can short sell stocks on downticks. Now that was always the case in ETFs like the Qs or the Spiders or the Diamonds, but in individual stocks it had been put in place, I believe, in 1938 after the Great Depression, and remained in place for some 70 years or so. Essentially, what is being proposed right now is kind of a modified uptick rule, which is that short selling would only be able to be done at a price that's higher than the current national bid. So let's just say you're looking at a level 2 box right here, okay? I'm going to draw this, and it's divided down the middle, and you've got bids over on this price. I'm sorry, on the left-hand side, and then you've got offers on the right. So this is divided by price levels. There's different people and different prices. So let's say that this is 99 cents, okay? Just for ease of use. This new rule would mean that you have to post a new offer at $1 or higher and wait for someone to hit your order to get short. And so if you get a move like you saw today in AMD, as this stock really just tanked sort of mid-afternoon, or even off this first run-up move, if you wanted to short into that on this first pullback, you would not have been able to chase that stock down. You would have had to keep posting offers and let somebody jump up and hit your offer in order to get short the stock. Then of course, whenever you want to cover it, you can do so at your desired method. But under this way, it's going to be much more difficult to get off a short in a one-way move like we saw in this stock this afternoon. And yet at the same time, if you are on a per share commission basis where you accept what are called pass-through fees from ECNs, then this can actually benefit you a little bit. Let me explain that. Right now, if you are on that type of pricing structure for your commission, and that's most commonly done on a direct access trading platform where you are watching the level 2 screen and you're generally using hotkeys to enter and exit trades, what happens is when you take liquidity, meaning you hit someone else's order, you're going to pay your commission rate, your flat rate commission, plus what's called an ECN pass-through fee. Okay? So that's going to vary depending on the ECN that you're using, but what it's going to do is add slightly to your commissions when you take liquidity. Now, when you add liquidity, you actually get a rebate on that pass-through fee. So you pay your base commission rate, then you get a little bit of a rebate back, and so it actually diminishes the price. And so under this new proposed modified uptick rule, in order to get short a stock, you'd be offering, and you would, of course, if you get filled on that, then you're going to be paid a small rebate, again, if you're on that pricing structure. So something I think is worth noting, this has not been put into place just yet, but some of the exchanges are proposing it. I've put a link in the blog post just below in order to point you to the article where I read this. But I think it's something worth noting and something to pay attention to, because it may impact not only the way that you'll short sell stocks, but it may have an impact on your commissions if you're on a per share pricing plan. All right, so thanks for joining me as always for this episode. I will be back soon with more videos, but in the meantime, trade like a bandit.